Welcome fam, Coach Nate here. If you woke up feeling tight, stiff, or sluggish, or maybe you've been sitting for too long, you're in the right place. Desk workers, if you're sitting all day, this is a must. Athletes and gym goers, this is a must for flexibility and mobility. And really, anyone with tight hamstrings or lower back stiffness, this routine will be a game changer. All you need is just your body and a mat. No equipment is needed. This can be done anywhere, home, gym, or even in your office. So, we're going to start with hamstring lengthening, increase flexibility and prevent injuries. Move on to lower back release by relieving stiffness and improving posture. And lastly, spinal mobility to help you move better throughout the day. I promise you by the end of this routine, your legs and back will feel looser, lighter, and ready to take on the day. And if you sit at a desk all day, I have something special for you at the end, so stay tuned. Let's hit the mat. Sit on the floor with your legs extended straight in front of you. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and exhale as you reach for your toes. Keep your back flat, avoid hunching, hold for 1 minute, breathing deeply. This stretch targets the hamstrings, calves, and lower back, relieving tightness and improving flexibility. Beginners, keep a slight bend in the knees. Advanced stretches, grab your feet and pull gently for a deeper stretch. Think your hamstrings are stretched? The next move will take it even further. Now let's take it up a notch with the standing forward fold and toe sweeps. Stand with feet hip-width apart, hinge at the hips and fold forward, reaching for your toes. Instead of holding still, gently sweep your fingers over your toes from left to right. Keep your knees slightly bent if needed. Move slowly for 1 minute. This dynamically stretches the hamstrings and lower back while improving circulation. Beginners, bend the knees slightly to ease tension. Advanced stretches, keep the legs fully straight and increase the sweep range. Think your lower back is loose? The next move will unlock even deeper mobility. Now, let's combine strength and flexibility with a powerful downward dog into cobra flow. Start in downward dog, hands and feet on the floor, hips lifted high. Press heels down and stretch your hamstrings. Shift forward into cobra pose, lowering your hips and lifting your chest. Flow back and forth between the two for 1 minute. This lengthens the spine, stretches the hamstrings, and opens the chest for full body flexibility. Beginners, keep a slight bend in the knees in downward dog. Advanced stretches, hold each position for longer to deepen the stretch. Your hamstrings and back are opening up. Now let's stretch the hips with the lunge flow. Time to mobilize the hips and loosen up the spine with the low lunge flow. Step your right foot forward into a lunge. Keep your left leg extended back with your hands on the ground. Rock forward and back, feeling the stretch deepen in your hip flexors. Hold and breathe for 30 seconds. This releases tension in the hip flexors and lower back, improving movement and reducing stiffness. Beginners, keep hands on blocks or chair for support. Advanced stretches, lower the back knee down and twist toward the front knee for a deeper stretch. One side down, time to balance it out. Let's switch and stretch the left side. Step your left foot forward into a lunge and keep your right leg extended back with hands on the ground. Rock forward and back, feeling the deep hip stretch. Hold for 30 seconds and breathe deeply. This improves hip mobility, relieves lower back tension, and helps with posture. Beginners keep hands on the floor for balance. Advanced stretches lift the arms up overhead for a deeper hip flexor stretch. Your body is open and loose. And just like I promised, if you sit at a desk all day, your body needs more than just this routine. And I've got something special for you. Grab a free desk worker stretching guide. It's packed with morning stretches, midday stretches, evening stretches, desk workouts, office ergonomic tips, and the best moves to stay pain-free all day. It's linked in the description or pinned comment. Go grab it now. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.